Our next guest is a highly skilled trial attorney who has been profiled among the top lawyers in the Bay Area by Tampa Bay Magazine and has twice been selected a leading attorney of the Southeastern United States in Forbes Magazine. Jack Gordon also maintains 4 national and state board certifications in trial law and medical malpractice as well. You're a busy gentleman.
Thank you for having me, Carly, but I'm never too busy to come visit you.
We appreciate that. We do love when you're here because it is very interesting to kind of get your perspective on things. Obviously, you've been in the business for quite some time now. We're going to this morning talk about auto accidents, which I think is something that I think a lot of people, you never know it's coming, right? You never know.
No, unfortunately,
as
we can see every day, the roads are becoming more dangerous.
Yep, especially here in the Bay Area.
Bay Area with all the construction and all the congestion, it is difficult. From our perspective, perhaps the most significant hazard that is facing drivers today is the distracted driving. You know, it was different 10, 15 years ago. You didn't have this degree of cell phone, of texting. You just didn't have the technology. And you're going to find that statistically, distracted driving as a result of texting is worse than driving drunk in terms of the manner in which it compromises the perceptions of the driver.
I'm not surprised about that at all. I mean, they are computers. It's like people are using them as, I think, their office in a way.
Well, they use them for so many reasons, but none of those reasons are important enough to risk your life or the lives of other people on the road. And again, at Maney and Gordon, the trial lawyers for years and years, and we'll continue to harp on the importance of putting your cell phone in the glove compartment, of otherwise turning it off, of focusing your full energies and attentions on the road and properly observing your driving environment.
And that probably, do you think that's the best way just to get it away from, I mean, don't be tempted by it?
I do. We talked earlier about some of the pizza and the pie that you have here. If you don't bring it out, we're not tempted.
No, it's true. Well, how has the laws changed? You know, obviously this is kind of with the use of technology and things. How has the practice kind of changed? How is it that you guys look at it kind of differently?
You know, the law doesn't remedy all wrongs, but the law and our legal system endeavors to make things safer. So as a direct result of the changes in technology, we've seen legislation that now makes it illegal to use your phone behind the wheel of the car. One of the things that we see in the civil trial arena is that if you cause injuries as a result of negligence, well, you have to pay compensatory damages. But if you cause injuries as a result of distracted driving, not unlike if you're driving drunk, if you are texting and that contributes to the accident, you may be liable for having to pay not merely compensatory damages, but punitive damages. You're punished for having caused that accident.
Do you see the laws continuing to change and continuing to get stricter, do you think? Is that the answer, do you think, to get a handle on this?
I do, but at the end of the day, I don't think, again, the law can redress every grievance or otherwise resolve every problem. I think that it's a responsibility of citizens to do the right thing, and I think at the end of the day, we're going to see some changes in technology. We're going to see whether it's the car manufacturers or the phone companies making technological changes that literally preclude you from otherwise being distracted by your phone.
Yeah. Well, you might have recognized this guy from all the commercials. We have to bring these up. We love showing the different ones that you've done over the last couple of months. So let's go ahead and get the latest one here.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, special effects are cool, but I'm not going to be drinking lemon water in slow motion in this commercial. It's just me reminding you that the lawyers at Maney and Gordon have earned national recognition and the expertise of board certification to best represent victims of medical malpractice. Simple as that.
I love that. Getting down to the basics, getting down to the experience and what your passion is, and with a little humor.
I'm passionate about the law and I'm passionate about trying cases, but I got to tell you, one of the most fun things that I do are those television commercials. And I don't necessarily know how good they are for business, but I rarely have to wait in line at a restaurant for a table.
I love it. We appreciate them too.
It's nice to be recognized.
Good to see you again. We look forward to having you back. And again, we appreciate all you do.
Carly, thank you so much for having me.
If you want to ask questions of your own, there's how you can contact him and his team, and they would be happy to help.